Now we'll discuss the various formulae that are being used in the solutions of the numerical of the power screw. Now first formula for the square threads, that is we want to find out the three different diameters are there. Nominal diameter is represented as D, core diameter is represented as the DC, and mean diameter is represented as DM. Therefore for square thread, specifically it is for the square thread, that is DM is calculated as D plus DC by 2. Therefore DM will be also equal to D minus P by 2. Then pitch is calculated as D minus DC. If you have seen, that is, this is the square thread is there, okay, this to this distance is P, this to this distance is P by 2, this distance is also P by 2. Now mean diameter is equal to, this is a P by 4 from this side and P by 4 from this side. Therefore P by 4 plus P by 4 will be equal to P by 2 on the both the sides will be there. Now from this we can find out value of DM. Then P will be equal to the D minus DC is there. Then lead angle, that is tan alpha will be equal to the lead divided by pi DM. This lead is dependent on how many starts are there. If it is single start, then lead is equal to the n times of pitch is there. Then coefficient of friction will be equal to the tan phi. Then T lift will be calculated as W in DM divided by 2 into tan of phi plus alpha. T lower will be evaluated as W into DM divided by 2 into tan of phi minus alpha. Only there is a difference of plus and minus between lift and lower is there. Then collar friction torques. Now we'll see the collar friction torque, how to evaluate. There are two methodologies out there to evaluate the collar friction torque. That is the first method, that is the uniform wear theory. By using uniform wear theory, if outer diameter of collar is D naught and inner diameter of collar is DI, then we can evaluate TC is equal to the mu C into W by 4 into D naught plus DI. Then second one, by using a uniform pressure theory, we can evaluate, that is the collar friction will be equal to the mu C into W divided by 3 into D naught cube minus DI cube divided by D naught square plus minus DI square. Then all these formulae for the trapezoidal thread will be modified. Now what is this trapezoidal thread? If included angle is equal to 2 theta is equal to 30 degree, then semi included angle will become equal to 15 degree. Then the T lift, simple thing is that mu is being replaced by the mu sec theta. If mu is being replaced by the mu sec theta, then all the formulae of square thread can be used for the trapezoidal thread. Therefore T lift will be equal to W into DM divided by 2 into mu sec theta plus tan alpha divided by 1 minus mu sec theta into tan alpha, and then T lower will be taken as the W into DM by 2 into mu sec theta minus tan alpha divided by 1 plus mu sec theta into tan alpha is there. Then to find out a T total, irrespective of the type of thread, that is T total lift will be calculated as T lift plus T collar. Then T total lower is equal to T lower plus TC, that is collar friction torque. Now only these many formulas are required to solve the numericals of power screw.